Hey everyone, and welcome back to a new Halloween look. Today we're gonna create this Holy Bucks Instagram filter inspired look. So I've already applied some concealer and setting powder onto my lid before I started filming. And now I'm just gonna go in with a little bit of Birch eyeshadow from the Sultry eyeshadow palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. I'm gonna be applying this into the crease of my eyes and also onto my lower lash line just for some definition. Now for this look you can pretty much do any type of eye look, but I wanted to keep it simple. Next I'm gonna pick up this matte highlighting shade called Fresh, and I'm gonna add that onto my brow bone to help create the illusion of a more lifted brow, since the filter gives you a very lifted look. Now I'm gonna go ahead and fill in my eyebrows using my Nabla eyebrow pencil in Jupiter and the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Powder Duo in dark brown. And like I said before, the filter gives your eyes and brows a very lifted look. So I'm gonna create more of an arch onto my brows. And this is pretty much how I always fill in my brows, but I thought I would show you guys how I do it in this video. So I'm first just creating the shape of my brows using the eyebrow pencil, and then I'm going in with the brow powder duo and I'm using the darker brown onto the outer half and then the lighter brown onto my inner half. Now I'm gonna go in and highlight the inner corners of my eyes using Unicorn from the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dream Glow Kit. And this is such a beautiful pink highlighter and I think it goes great with this look. Next I'm going to go in and create a pretty thick winged liner, since this is such a simple eye look and it's also going to help with the illusion of that lifted eye. So I started off using the ABH liquid liner, but I kept getting it into my lashes, so I switched to the Serial liner from Nabla Cosmetics. Then I'm just going to apply some mascara to my lashes and apply the Russian Blue lashes from Feline Lashes to complete this eye look. So now I'm going to go in with some blush and add onto my cheeks and also a little bit onto my nose. In the Instagram filter, it will add freckles onto your face, but I cannot get it to look natural whatsoever when I try to do faux freckles. But if you're good at it, then I would definitely do it. Or if you already have freckles, you can just rock your natural ones. Now for my highlight, I'm first going to apply the Fenty Beauty Matchstick in Trippin, and then I'm going to be adding Regal from the Dream Glow Kit to get more of a peachy pink highlight. So now you might be thinking that that's not the color she was wearing in the intro, and that's right. Here I'm lining my lips with the Nabla Cosmetics lip liner in Grace, and that's also the lip liner that I'm gonna be creating the dollar signs with. Only problem is that when I was done, I realized that I don't know what a dollar sign looks like, because I just did 2 lines in the S and it's actually just supposed to be 1. So I had to wash all my face makeup off and redo it. So this time I took a photo of myself with the filter so that I could look at it while I was doing my makeup so I wouldn't mess up again. So now I'm just going to be drawing the dollar signs onto my face where the filter showed, and I'm using a lip pencil, but you can use an eyeliner, a gel liner, or even a liquid lipstick depending on how you want it to look. And now that that's done, we are done with this look. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys tomorrow with a new video. Bye!